How to clear sticker history on Snapchat on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove your recently used stickers in just a few steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. From there, tap on the settings icon at the top right to open your Snapchat settings. At this point, scroll down and look for the Manage section. Let me show you. Tap on Manage to open it. In the next step, tap on Clear Sticker History from the list of options. From there, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to clear your sticker history. Tap on Clear to confirm. At this stage, your sticker history will now be cleared, and your recently used stickers will no longer appear at the top of the sticker panel. Following this, go back to your camera screen and open a snap. Tap on the sticker icon and check that your recent sticker history has been wiped. Once done, keep in mind that clearing your sticker history only removes your recently used stickers. Your saved or favorited stickers will remain unaffected. From here, if the Clear Sticker History option isn't showing up in your Manage settings, let me show you another fix. Open the Play Store. Search for Snapchat at the top. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen Snapchat and try clearing your sticker history again. And that's it. If this guide helped you clear your Snapchat history, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.